Hello, I'm Niranjan from Cognitive Market Research. Today, I'll share a story about innovation in the skies. Our client, a luxury private jet manufacturer, set out to design the world's first fully electric aircraft for elite travelers who value both performance and sustainability. But it wasn't easy. The team faced major hurdles: heavy batteries, range limitations, and doubts about the reliability of electric aviation. That's where we stepped in. We supported the project with advanced market and technology research, the collaborating with experts in battery science, aerodynamics, and renewable energy. Together, we explored solid state batteries for higher energy density, paired with lightweight composite materials like carbon fiber and aluminum alloy to offset battery weight. Through extensive aerodynamic simulation and wind tunnel testing, the aircraft was optimized for maximum lift and efficiency. Beyond technology, the focus remained on luxury. The cabin features sustainable materials, bamboo panels, recycled aluminum, and vegan leather, proving that comfort and conscience can coexist. We also help design a renewable power charging network across key private airports, ensuring the aircraft's ecosystem was as sustainable as its design. The result? The world's first high performance electric private jet redefined luxury travel for new era. The manufacturer gained global recognition, stronger brand prestige, and leadership in sustainable aviation. The takeaway: at Cognitive Market Research, we help visionary brands turn ambitious idea into tangible innovation, transforming challenges into market first achievements. This is just one example of how Cognitive helps businesses turn challenges into opportunities. Stay tuned for more stories like this. Thank you so much.